everyone!
Hey, hey!
Welcome back to our channel today. Today we're doing a little bit differently. Today's intro is just Peter. Yeah. So please enjoy and we will see you later.
Yeah. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at our Airbnb in Hongdae. Yeah, James just getting ready for the day. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. And yeah, today's going to be all about Yongsan. We're going to go, it's one of my favorite spots in Yongsan, the electronics market. So look forward to bringing you along with us.
이번 역에서 내리시기 바랍니다. This stop is Yongsan. Yongsan.
Someone is happy. Someone waited for a long time.
So I was telling you, basically in Japan you have Akihabara, but you almost never hear about the electronics market in Yongsan. And more people really should know about it because this is basically the Akihabara of Korea. So let's check it out.
Okay, let's go. In the electronics market. You have tons of great things here.
I really love this place. We've only looked at just a little bit of it, but I already picked up some new things. PlayStation Vita TV, memory card, 2 games, and phone cases, and really, really affordable. I know for all the PlayStation things that we bought, it's over half off what you would spend in the US. And the phone cases were really, really affordable too. So the phone cases were 4,000 won
Yeah, 4,000.
and 10,000 won.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that equals 14,000 won, 2 phone cases. It's about $10. So yeah, really, really good deals. And that's what the electronics market's all about here in Seoul.
Yongsan electronic market.
Yeah, and this is really just like the basement area.
Yeah.
It's actually all around us. It looks like a lot of places are closed. I hope it's because of the Chuseok holiday. But they have all the malls here. It's full of electronic devices. And they have really good deals.
Yeah, I think it's the heaven of the boys who love games. Yeah, I really see different side of my husband. My only job here is just pay the money to make him happy.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
It worked.
Oh.
Alright, hey everybody, and welcome back. Yeah, so really great time in the electronics market. I'm happy you got a chance to see it. Actually, I had to film kind of stealth in the underground video game area to show everybody. Every video I found on YouTube either has people saying they can't film in there, or they're wearing these ridiculous spy glasses. So yeah, I actually just filmed with it in my pocket. But with that said, I know you can see my hand kind of flopping around in some shots, so I apologize about that. I did my best I could with editing it out.
Yeah, we didn't know if we can or cannot film inside, so we just do it by that, just in case.
Yeah.
Without any other people know this.
100%.
Yeah.
I have a lot of memories in the electronics market. When I lived there in 2003, 2004, and 2005, I used to love going to that electronics market. It used to be a lot different, but also some of the areas are still pretty similar. They still have that underground gaming area where you can literally buy any kind of gaming things you want. New, old, even really old. They had original Famicoms. If you don't know, Famicom is what the Nintendo, the NES was called over in Japan and Korea at the time. And they had Super Famicoms, the Super Nintendo, all the way up to what I picked up, which was a new PlayStation Vita, PlayStation TV, some games, and a GoPro kind of selfie stick slash stand.
Yeah, pretty much that's all about the games and the other associates. Yeah, but I want to talk about, it's really like a similar feeling when I was in Shanghai, because my mom was in the computer market. You can make your own computer. You can pick up the sound card, memory card, hard drive, everything. You can customize your own.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place is pretty close similar to my mom's used to workplace. It's very good feeling.
Yeah, I feel like there's really, you could get anything there.
Yeah.
And yeah, even like the phone cases we got there, really affordable.
Yeah,
I think other stores in Seoul bought from the electronics market and then sold them for more money.
Like this is the place they are going like big volumes, right? And I just feel like this place, it's the first time I see you into a place like a boy. Like, you know, when the boy see the toys, yeah, the ice with the sparkling, and yeah, I can tell.
I remember when the first PlayStation Portable came out, I was living in Korea, and it came out in Japan way before it came out in the United States. I remember going to that electronics market and picking up a PlayStation Portable, and just so many memories of going back to that electronics market, that same underground passageway. And there was this guy there that was about my age, and he ran one of those stalls that sold video games. But I would go there, and him and I would just play Ridge Racer over the wireless on the PlayStation Portables. And every time I go back to that market, I look for him, but we've both aged now, and I'm sure maybe he works there. I have no idea. But one day I'd like to maybe catch up with him. But yeah, I didn't find him this time either.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But it's very fun and interesting experience. And also we got the stick.
Yeah, for the GoPro
stick there. And we were not sure about the price, and we just like, oh, is this they selling us more expensive than other places? So we did a little bit of our research, then we decided to buy it, and it's very useful.
We've actually used it a lot since we picked it up there. Actually, quite a few of the videos you've seen on the channel were filmed using that stick. But one thing I just want to share with everybody as well is we had to do some research because the salespeople there were pretty aggressive in the electronics market, which is not typical from what my experience is going there. But the pandemic has really hit Korea very hard in our video series at the time we went. And you know, it's still pretty recent that we went there, and we had to research because we thought that maybe they're selling it to us for too much because they really want us to buy it. But really, they just wanted some business, and they were giving us a very fair price.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very fair price. I agree with you. But also, it's not like I thought they will give us some, deals.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they didn't. But we're glad we found it.
Well, for the GoPro, we didn't get any deals, but I will say for the PlayStation Vita and our gaming software, incredible deals compared to what we would spend here in the United States. I think actually for the Vita, the PlayStation TV, the games, and the memory sticks, we saved over $400 compared to what you would spend for those same items here in the United States. So if you're in Korea and you want to pick up a PlayStation Vita or a PlayStation TV, know that you have great deals at the electronics market in Yongsan. Really far better than what you would spend here in the United States for the same items, and they work here in America, so not a bad deal.
Yeah, and just don't forget to haggle.
Yeah, she haggled. It was pretty cool.
Just don't forget. They will give you a total price because he got the games, memory cards, Vita, so many places from the same store. And so that's why I was just like, oh, we are buying a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And so I asked the lady very nicely, and I said if I can get some nice price. And she's a very nice lady. She's like, okay. And even though she doesn't speak English a lot, well, we always communicate with calculator.
Yeah.
It works.
100%.
Yeah, just don't forget.
Yeah, know that I didn't know you could haggle there, but Yajing definitely brought the price down even further. Literally, I was checking like eBay in the United States to see the prices, and we had to buy what we bought because we saved, again, hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
Yeah, we were matching the price.
By the way, they have PlayStation 5s there, like lots of PlayStation 5s.
It's unbelievable.
At retail price. I wanted to get one, but we would have had to have bought a new suitcase just to get one to bring back here.
Yeah, and back to that time, I didn't know how popular PS5 is because I never play games. I don't know the market. Then after we back here, back to the States, and just it was so difficult to get a PS5. And we are still waiting for our opportunity to buy it. So, but still, our suitcase was pretty tight.
Yeah, we'll get a PS5 eventually. But it was just so refreshing because I never see them on store shelves in America, and literally we saw tons of PS5s.
Yeah, so. But if my point was if I knew how hard it is, I probably would just like, let's buy it.
Yeah. It's totally fair.
Yeah, but good to learn,
100%. And we would actually sign off right now, but Yajing has a few more words for you from the electronics market in Korea. So we're going to go ahead and let her sign off from Seoul.
Yeah, please enjoy.
Thank you for joining us for the Yongsan electronic market.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back, get some more stuff, spend more money. See you next time.
Yeah. Let's get some camera equipment.
Yeah.